I am a homosexual from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. I was born this way and there's nothing that will change me. What do you want me to do? Cry? Hate myself? Absolutely not. That would never happen. Good morning. How are you? Hope you're good. Sorry about the sound in this car. I came to the car park because I wanted to check to see if the car is fully charged, but it's not. And I can't just move my car because there are people in this complex doing some events and celebrations, so I'm not going to be able to do it. I don't want to disturb my people here. It snowed. I wasn't expecting it to snow, but it did today. Like when I mean snowed, about 4 inches of snow overnight, surprisingly. Today is a Sunday and I want to do a few things. I don't even know if I'll be able to do this because I'm not able to go and plug my car, but anyway, this car can take me to somewhere and then I'll be able to charge. Actually, I think it will be fine, 49%. I had this really weird dream. I went to bed really late last night and it was not nice. And this happened to me sometimes when I go to bed that late, I won't be able to sleep. So my sleep was literally higgy and haga, but we move. It's really shocking that in 2026, we're still having the same thing. Talking about the episode I recorded about therapy, about how some of our people see therapy as something that is demonic, how they see therapy as something that you don't need, how a lot of our people really don't research about our culture, some of the interpretations that was done about the way our cultures and things have been demonized. And a lot of people believe in this. I get called Ekwensu all the time. And in Igbo language, Ekwensu means Satan. But when you look at the Igbo hierarchy of gods and things like this, you have Chineke, which is the God Supreme, the God Almighty. And then you have the other gods, Ekwensu, Allah. Allah is God of the land. She's a woman. And you have Ikenga, Amadioha, Alusi, Ndiche, which is our ancestors. And you have Ekwensu, which is God of trickery and chaos. And you have Amadioha, which is God of thunder. There's just like some of these things. And a lot of people will be like, oh, it is demonic, yada. What's really shocking is that some of these people who claim that some of these things are demonic are extremely demonic themselves because they are wicked people and they are not even religious like that, the way they claim to be, if you know what I mean. I'm sick and tired of people who want to demonize queer people, that we are evil, that God will punish us and things like this. Why will God punish me? What did I do? All I am doing is being juicy, moisturized, glowy, hydrated and unbothered. My ancestors protect me. I am divinely protected. What did I do wrong? This is why some people who have known me all my life who don't speak to me anymore because they think I'm a sinner. What the hell is that? It does not make any sense to me. One thing you're never going to do is break my soul. You can never break me because I'm not broken. I am not broken. And for every queer person that is listening to this or you are watching this, you are not broken. You are just raised in a society that is broken, in a system that is broken. People are just extremely wayward. People give birth to children and expect their children to be their pension and expect their children to be their life. They want to live their dreams through their children. And once you are not doing that, it becomes a problem. Hell to the no. Live your life unapologetically. I have always preached and said that you do not need to come out to anybody. All you need to do is be at peace with yourself and live your life, okay? Snow. That's the door, window. That's the front of the car. Snow. Can you see the back of the car as well? Snow. Good afternoon, how are you? I need to run. I want to check a particular place. I hope they are open today because I will be pissed off if they are not open. Let's get into what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this old beanie from Jack and Jones. My roll neck, this drop shoulder roll neck is from Weekday. This is an oldie. I have this in grey as well. I love this so much. Denim pants is from Bershka and this Air Force Ones because it snowed today. I'm just going to walk to my car and then drive there. Bought the Afrique by Byredo and Verbena by Labolorio Lido. This jacket from Ralph Lauren. This tote bag from Errands. That's the look. Come, let's go. It's going to take me about 30 minutes to get to where I'm going. I did not know that Jesus Christ needs to arrest me. I thought I have seen it all, but I haven't. My freaking goodness. Religious psychosis is a thing. I know I hear other nonsense like repent. You are a devil. You are the Satan. You are evil. You are a sinner. You are a disgrace. Your family are not proud of you. All of these things you're you're going to go to hell. Your life has spoiled. Like they say, your life don't spoil. I hear things like this, but Jesus needs to arrest me? My dear, are you okay? Is everybody okay? Is everything okay at home? Because this does not make any sense at all. Who told you that Mr. Charles Okeke needs to be arrested by Jesus? I feel like a lot of you lack morality. You don't know what morals are. Because being a homosexual and having sex with a man and being intimate with a man is not a sin. It is not a freaking sin. I am morally better than a lot of you because a lot of you have no morals at all. Your mind and your heart is in the gutters. Your heart is dark as charcoal. Some of you are not good people. You are not good people and you are using religion as a blanket to be mean to people. The number of hateful comments I get sometimes makes me laugh. It does not affect me. But what I don't like is that there will be some people who are queer, who are LGBTQIA+, who are struggling, who will see things like this and just go back into their shell. That is my worry. For me, I was born for this. You call me Ekwensu, which means devil. Yes, I accept it. Okay, then what? I have said this time and time and time again. You cannot pray the gay away. I need to order my body lotion. I go through body lotion and skincare like crazy. I will not be out here ashy, crusty and dusty. I am a homosexual from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. I was born this way and there's nothing that will change me. What do you want me to do? Cry? Hate myself? Absolutely not. That would never happen. The shop is not open. I was supposed to be eating. I said I would just rush to check to see if I can get what I want to get. It's just me trying to be Higgy and Haga. You know, sometimes you just want to get something, even if you know you shouldn't go and get it, but you just wanted to do it, and that's what I did. Unfortunately, the shop is not open. Driving up here, I got into this narrow road. So this driver was coming like I have right of way. All he would have done is wait at the beginning of the road where there is space. He just drove in because he was expecting me to give him space. I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. We are not complaining here. I feel so bad this week. I need to call my niece and my nephew. I'm going to do a group call with them today. Oh my God, there's a house I'm looking at from here. I swear, if I have money, if I am rich, I will buy this house as my holiday home. But then again, this place is like Manchester as well, like the weather and stuff. They are writing their exams at the moment, so I just don't want to disturb them to be calling and then they are reading their books. The other day, she sent me all her notes and what she's reading. And I said to myself, never. I do not want to be a student again. What the hell? I remember when I was writing one of my exams and I had no money and I was drinking Gary. I drank Gary at 4 o'clock in the morning. When I say Gary, this is Gary when you drink. There's no peanuts, there's no milk, nothing. Full bare Gary with water, no sugar, no salt. The things we see in school, especially when you don't have anyone to give you things, is crazy. Honestly, I remember that because I had reduced all the money I was giving, so I didn't have the audacity and the temerity to ask anybody for anything. I was just doing my thing and all I had was my transport fare to go back home after exams. And I don't want to be in a situation where I'm not able to pay my transportation back to our house. And I just did not want to put myself in that situation. We're going to go back now because there's no need to be here since the shop is not open. I'm overqualified. Oh, we love it. We love it so much. The battery of this car is 39%. I decided to plug it in because I don't want to be thinking that tomorrow the car is not charged. So I've just plugged it in to charge it. I'm wearing the wrong shoes. Thank goodness it's not slippery yet because when it snows, it's slushy, so you can walk with any shoes. But when it becomes icy, it is extremely slidey. You're sliding like you're on ice skating rink. But it's not icy yet, it's just slushy, which is good. I don't know, the way I packed this car to plug it was just Higgy and Haga. My tires was just sliding and whatever. I drove back and forth, and I'm like, no, it's okay like this. We're just going to go back into the apartment. I will see you later. I just got back in and my man did not do what he was supposed to be doing. We want to watch Bridgerton because I started watching Bridgerton season 1 because I did not really care to watch it. I watched Princess Charlotte and it was really, really good. I don't want to watch periodic dramas anymore. And then I started watching and I'm like, this is good. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. Thank you for joining the movement for visibility and representation. Thank you so much for being here. Let love lead the way as always. Love is love. I will see you in the next vlog.